Yay, the Laughter Yoga Club. So great that you could make it. And now let's do some clapping to connect in with our childlike sense of playfulness and fun. Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! Now, so we're going to do a little bit of tapping of the body because this is so good and so relaxing, helps us to feel good, and will also help us to feel good before Christmas because there's always so much to do around this time of year. Let's do this. This will be nice and restful and good for the body. And then we tap the face and tap the head. I won't because I've got a hat on, but you can tap your head, tap your face, shoulders, thymus area. So relaxing. Very good. Very good. Great. Okay, very good. Very good. Yay! Very good. Very good. Yay! And now we're going to do some breathing exercise. So we're going to breathe in and out. In and out. And now as we breathe in, we're going to laugh as we breathe out, okay? Great, and then breathe in. And breathe out. Ha, ha, ho, ho, ho. Ha, ha, ho, ho, ho. When we clap, we are activating acupressure points on the palms. So that's very, very good for us. Always very good. So now we're going to do a little bit of laughter cream laughter, okay? So this is where we try out the cream and go. Wherever we rub it, we become younger, more beautiful, and also more funny, and we laugh. More ready to laugh, that means. It's a magic pot. Very good, very good. Yay! Okay, and now some more magic. We're going to go, are you ready? E, this is how it works. E, E. Childish, but that's more funny, isn't it? It lifts us up, makes us feel good. So let's do it again. You ready? So that's right. 2 fingers together. E, E, E. Very good. Very good. Yay! Okay, good. And we're going to do it the opposite way now. So we start with the victory sign. E, E, E. See if we can do that. Very good. Yeah. E, E, E. Better than I can. Very good. That was great. Excellent. Well done. Should we do it one more time? Okay. E, E, E. I got it then. Let's pat ourselves on the back for being so clever and actually getting it done so well. Yay! Very good. Excellent. Good. Let's pat ourselves also on the head for being so good and love ourselves a little bit as well today, because life is difficult sometimes and we're doing so well. Very good. Excellent. Great. Okay, so have you ever got in your car in the middle of winter and snow everywhere, or else it's pretty icy, and you try to get the car to work and it won't? So annoying. So should we try that out now? So what we do is we get into the car, sit down, and then we start the engines. We're going to start it 4 times. On the 5th time, it's going to go. Okay, so we go. Yay, we can drive to the kids. Okay, so that's how it works. So are you ready? Okay. Yay, driving. It was really good. One more time, okay? Very good. Very good. Yay! That was fantastic, guys. Really good. Pat yourselves on the back again. That was fantastic. Bit of tapping. Yes, very good for us. Yay, bit of tapping. Good. And you know how sometimes life feels a little bit like a tug of war. So you're kind of like pulling, yes, no, no, I'm winning. No, I'm not. No, I'm winning. So let's play a tug of war, okay? All right, you ready? Go. Okay, and we can actually pull with each other if you like. Let's pull with each other. Okay, go. Side. Other side. Very good. Very good. Yay! So how does Father Christmas feel when Santa, when he's climbing down the, when he gets started, he's, you know, like, can you imagine? He's very big, obviously. He's got a big sack on his back. He's got his reindeer with him, and he wants to get down the chimney. That's tricky. So how's he going to get down the chimney? So maybe we could be Santa, really big with all these things, all these presents on our backs, looking at that little chimney. How are we going to get in? So let's have a laugh about, oh, maybe I ate too many mince pies last night. Okay. How am I going to fit down the chimney? Maybe I should have started that diet 20 years ago. The chimney's too small. How am I going to fit in there? This small chimney. Exactly, yeah. Very good. Okay, and then we're going to go down the chimney. So he manages to slide down the chimney. Whee! And land in the grate. Let's try that. Whee! Land in the grate. Well, I'm really glad there's no fire here, because otherwise I'd have really hot feet, says Santa. Yeah. How many of you lay out things for Santa to eat? Do you put any like carrots and things like that for him? Put out our things for Santa, put them out on the grate. And yeah, well, some of the owners of the house have, and Santa's gonna eat them now and try them out. I like that one. Maybe there's something you don't like. Oh, reindeer poo. And now you've got your really big sack of presents. So what are we going to do with that? So we're going to take it into, like, oh, it's on our back. Oh, and we've got a walking stick. Now we're going to go and deliver it to all the children in the house. Okay, so let's go and give it to all the children in the house. There are 10 kids, so we've got a lot of presents to distribute. All right, so let's go. Very quietly distributing the presents. Don't want to wake the child. Great. Very good. Very good. Yay! Very good. Very good. Yay! Excellent. So now let's be one of the kids opening the present and say, let's say this present we just love. Okay, we absolutely love this, but we're so excited. Okay. And let's talk in gibberish. Let's say in just absolute nonsense how much we like it. Good. Now we're going to just pretend we're at a kids party, kids fun party. Christmas party, yay! Woohoo! And now, so now we're going to just pretend we're at a kids party, kids Christmas party, yay! Woohoo! Yay! Christmas party! Very good, very good. Yay! Woohoo! Well, I'm wishing you all a beautiful, wonderful Christmas, and I'll see you after Christmas next Monday. All right, lovely to see you. Take care. Bye. 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 Bye.